Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about YouTube alters recommendations for logged out users, Elon Musk acts AI to open source ChatGPT challenger Grok, nothing launches phone 2A with transparent design in India. Indian government issues warning for Chrome users, Microsoft to end support for Windows Subsystem for Android, IIT Madras partners with Vellon Space for extraterrestrial manufacturing, Oracle beats profit estimates due to surge in AI demand and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. YouTube has made a change, no longer recommending videos to users who are logged out or using incognito mode unless they start watching. If users haven't watched anything, the website will display a message prompting them to try searching to build a personalized feed. This adjustment, observed by Bleeping Computer, is not the first time YouTube has halted recommendations for users not signed in or with watch history off. While it may be unwelcomed by those concerned about privacy, for others, it could be a positive change, sparing them from random and unhelpful recommendations. This change emphasizes YouTube's ongoing efforts to personalize user experience and suggests a shift towards encouraging account creation for better recommendations. Elon Musk artificial intelligence startup xAI is set to open source its ChatGPT challenger named Grok this week. Musk's decision follows his legal dispute with OpenAI alleging the abandonment of its original mission in favor of a for-profit model. Musk warned against big tech companies exploiting technology for profit, aligning xAI with firms like Meta and Mistral by open sourcing AI models. The move provides the public free access to experiment with the code, though concern about misuse and security have been raised. This strategic move may foster collaboration and transparency in AI development while challenging closed models prevalent in the industry. London-based tech firm Nothing has launched Phone 2A in India, featuring a unique transparent design to target the tech-savvy market. Co-founder Akis Evangelidis emphasized the phone's focus on scaling the brand, incorporating a transparent design showcasing internals like the glyph interface. Positioned as an affordable smartphone, it offers 3 years of OS updates, 4 years of security updates, AI features, and a complimentary subscription to Perplexity AI. Nothing plans to open exclusive service centers in Delhi and Mumbai, further expanding its presence in the Indian market. The transparent design and strategic pricing aim to differentiate Nothing's offering and appeal to consumers looking for a unique and budget-friendly smartphone. The Indian government has issued a high-severity warning for Chrome users, citing multiple vulnerabilities that could be exploited by remote attackers. Vulnerabilities in Google Chrome, if not addressed, could lead to arbitrary code execution or a denial of service (DOS) condition. Users using Chrome versions prior to the latest version on Windows and Linux machines are particularly at risk. To mitigate the threat, users are urged to update their Chrome browser to the latest version, which includes security fixes from the Chrome team. This warning highlights the critical role of regular software updates in maintaining cybersecurity and addresses potential risks for Chrome users in India. Microsoft has announced the end of official support for the Windows Subsystem for Android starting from 5 March 2025. This decision will impact the Amazon App Store on Windows and all apps dependent on WSA, with users unable to download new apps after the cutoff date. Windows 11 users won't find the Amazon App Store or associated Android apps in the Microsoft Store starting from 6 March. The move raises questions about the future of Microsoft's attempt to integrate Android apps on Windows 11 and its competition with Apple's flexibility. Amazon has assured a smooth end of support experience for developers and customers of the Amazon App Store on Windows 11, collaborating with Microsoft to facilitate the transition. The Indian Institute of Technology Madras (IIT Madras) has partnered with Indian startup Vellon Space to advance extraterrestrial manufacturing research and development. IIT Madras Research Center Extraterrestrial Manufacturing will be a pilot customer for an in-orbit demonstration mission involving the Asterix Lab. The Asterix Lab, a miniature space laboratory, aims to revolutionize cell culture and drug development in space, contributing to enhanced pharmaceuticals and better human health outcomes. The collaboration underscores the growing interest in space-related research and the potential benefits of manufacturing in microgravity environments. This initiative aligns with India's broader aspirations in space exploration and showcases academia's role in advancing technological frontiers through strategic partnerships. Oracle has exceeded quarterly profit estimates, reporting a nearly 14% surge in shares in extended trading driven by increased demand in the AI sector. The company, positioning itself as a cloud computing provider, announced a joint initiative with Nvidia focusing on AI infrastructure. Despite rapid expansion of cloud data center and high demand for its Gen 2 AI infrastructure, Oracle CEO Safra Katz highlighted that demand exceeds supply. Oracle's profit for the third quarter stood at $1.41 per share, surpassing LSEG estimates and reflecting the company's focus on adapting to evolving technology landscapes. This financial performance emphasizes the significance of AI-related services in the technology industry and the strategic partnership companies forged to stay competitive in emerging markets. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
Hey, have you heard that Google is offering free courses on AI? Generative Learning Path. Transform your business with artificial intelligence. CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. Generative AI Training. ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. AI for Everyone. Responsible AI Overview. Generative AI for Everyone. Introduction to Generative AI Studio. Go and enroll fast to upskill yourself in the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence.